Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this course and you will be free from this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, art assignments project, midterm exam, and final exam. Okay, we will go to the MyLab Pearson and then click on Excel Chapter 4 Simulation Training. We will open this our training and launch this training, and I will do this training step by step. Click on launch button. You can see, please focus on my PC screen. You can follow my video and you can done your training by watching this video. The question number 1 of this training is that use page down 3 times to scroll through the worksheet. Go to cell A1 and freeze the top row. Okay, we will simply use page down 3 times to scroll through. We will go to the view tab and click on cell A1, go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze pane button and then freeze top row. Use page down 2 times to scroll through the worksheet and then unfreeze the top row. We will simply go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze pane button and then click on unfreeze pane. Click cell B6 and freeze the panes above and then left of the active cell. Click on cell B6 and then we will go to the view tab in the window group and then click on freeze pane. Question is completed. Now the next question of this training is that display the worksheet in page break preview. We will go to the view tab in the worksheet view group, click on page break preview, click cell A42 and insert a page break. We will go to the cell A42. Click on cell A42, go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, we will click on break button and then click on insert page break. Question is completed. The next question is that okay, this is the third question of this training. Set the range B5 to K14 as the print area. We will select first this range B5 to K14. Then we will go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, we will click on print area button in the page setup group and then click on set print area. Change the scaling to 60%. We will go to the page layout tab. In the scale to fit group, click on scale box and then we'll set 60%. Clear the print area. Simply we will go to the page layout tab and then click on print area button and then click on clear print area. Copy the June total worksheet and position it to the left of the June total sheet. Simply right click on June total worksheet. Right click on this, click on move or copy. Okay, click on create a copy and then click on OK button. Rename the June total worksheet tab to June 1st total. Okay, we will right click on this, click on rename button and then we will rename this sheet as June 1st total. Okay, question is completed. Now the next question of this training is that select row 5 as title to repeat on each page. Okay, we will go to the page layout tab and page setup group, click on the open page setup dialog box and then go to the sheet row to repeat at top. We will select row 5. Click on OK button. Select column A and B as title to repeat on each page. Look at the first 3 pages in print preview and then print the worksheet. We will go to the page layout tab in the page setup group. We will open page setup launcher box. Click on the sheet button, and then we will go to column to repeat. We will select column A and B. Click on OK button. Sorry, 1 second, printer. Okay, go to the print button, and then we will set 3 page. Okay, go to the print button. Click on print button. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 5. With cell A5 selected, create a table from the existing data except the default setting is equal to A5 to K110 for the data range, and my table has header. Simply we will select this data A5 to K110, and then we will go to the insert tab in the tables group, click on table button, and then you can see A5 to K110, and then click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table. On the table design tab in the properties group, click in the table name box, type totals, and then press enter. Simply we will go to the table design tab in the properties group. You can see table name box in the left side of this my laptop screen. In the properties group we will type totals. We will assign a table name to total. We will assign a table name to total. Then question is completed now. The next question of this training is question number 7. Question number 7 is that we will have to do next question. Please follow my video. Delete the sales first table column from the table only. We will select sales first column and then simply delete, right click on this and then delete this column. We will go to the home tab, and then in the sales group, first we will select sales first column in the table. Then we will go to the home tab in the sales group, click on delete button, and then delete table column button. Change the width of column I to J to auto width. Auto fit we will select column I to J, and then go to the home tab in the cells group, click on format button, and then we will click on auto fit column width. Type rebate in cell K5. Simply we will click on cell K5 and then we will type rebate K5 and then we type rebate. Type OIT in cell L5. We will click on cell L5 and then we will type OIT. Question is completed now. The next question of this training is the question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this training right now. The question number 7 is that add a new table row on row 73. We will select row 73, go to the click on row 73, scroll down. Where is the row 73? Okay, here's the row 73. Right click on this and then add a new row. Click on insert button. Okay. Type 2024-068 in cell A73 and then type 6-2022-2024 in cell B73, press tab. Simply, we will click on cell A73 and then we will type 2024-068. Okay, now we will click on cell B73 and then we will type 6-2022-2024, press tab. Type 2024-105 in cell A112 and then type 630-2024 in cell B112, then press tab. First we will click on cell A12. Where is cell A12? A112. We will type 2024-105 and then cell B112 we will type 630-2024. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do 8 questions of this training. Remove the duplicates record in the table using the default setting in the remove duplicates dialog box. Okay, we will go to the table design tab and then go to the tools group, click on remove duplicates, click on OK. 2 duplicates value found and removed 105 unique value remain. Click on OK button. The next question of this training is question number 9. Apply yellow light table style light 19 on the table. We will go to the table design tab in the table style group. We will open this launcher box of table style and then we will go to the light yellow table style. Like we will go to the light style, and then we will apply light yellow table style 19 is here. Light yellow table style light 19. We will apply this style on this table. The next question is question number 10. In question number 10, in cell K6 type the formula is equal to if into trans minus type is equal to promotion. Okay, purchase minus price quantity. Okay, you can see this formula. We will go to the cell K6 and then we will type this formula. Simply copy this formula and click on cell K6 and then we will copy and paste and press enter. Now in cell L6 type the formula is equal to J6 multiplying by I6 minus K6. We will go to the cell L6 and then we will copy this formula and paste in cell L6. Okay. Select the range K6 to K110 and apply comma style format. Okay, we will select this. Okay, we will select the range K6 to K1L110. We will select this range and then we will go to the home tab. First, we will select this range K6 to K110. In the home tab, in the number group, we will apply comma style. Okay, question is completed now. Now I am going to do 11 question of this training. The 11th question of this training is that show the total row, select the sum function for the quantity and rebate column. Okay, we will go to the table design tab. In the table style option group, click on total row checkbox. Okay, and then select the sum function for the quantity. We will go to the quantity column and then first we will go to the rebate. Okay, first we will go to the rebate column, scroll down and then we will select the sum of rebate and quantity column. Okay, right click on this arrow and then click on sum button. Okay, and then go to the rebate column, right click on this and then click on sum button. Okay, select column L and then autofill the column with. We will select column L and we will simply select column L and then select this, go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button, click on autofill column with. The next question of this training is question number 12. Okay, sort the table in the June total worksheet by sales minus lost in alphabetical order. Sort the table in the June total worksheet. We will go to the June total worksheet and then we will sort the table by sales lost in alphabetical order. We will select, we will sales and then go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter and then click on A to Z. Sort the table by odd from the largest to smallest. We will select odd and then go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter group, filter button and then smallest, largest to smallest. Select largest to smallest. Okay, question is completed now. The next question of this training is that sort the table by pay type in alphabetical order. We will select pay tab and then we will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter button and sort this pay type is alphabetical order A to Z. Use the sort dialog box to add a second level sort by trans tab in alphabetical order and then third sort by odd from the largest to smallest. We will go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter button, click on custom sort. We will have to add a first level we will have to add a second level sort by trans. Add a second level sort by trans. Okay, trans type in alphabetical order. We will have to third level sort by odd from largest to smallest. We will have to add a third level is odd. Okay, from largest to smallest. Largest to smallest. Click OK. You can see question is completed now. Now we will have to add a custom sort level after the existing sort for the department columns using the custom list electronics collectibles, infants, action figures, board games. We will have to add a sort level after the existing sort. We will go to the home tab in the editing group, click on sort and filter button, and then we will have to add a custom sort. We will add level, and then we will select department columns, and then we will have to add a custom list. Custom list is have electronics. We will type here electronics, collectibles, collectibles, infants, action figures, board games. Action figure boards games. Okay, you can see here we will click on add and then click on OK button. You can see I have done 15 questions of this training in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my IT lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this course. And my WhatsApp and email are shown on the bottom of the screen, and my WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.